So it's 5:30 in the morning, and we're having tea and coffee with a little heavy whipping cream for my baby, but I like nut pods. And some stevia. Thank you, Trader Joe's. Today I'm making garlic Parmesan chicken wings. First I dry off the wings and I mix them in a bowl with baking powder, salt, and pepper. Then I put in another bowl the garlic and sweet potatoes with some olive oil and spices and mix those together. Then I put the chicken wings that are coated with the baking powder and salt and pepper in an air fryer for about 30 minutes on 250. Just nice and low heat so it continues to dry them out. Then after tossing the veg with the oil and spices, oh, Ellie, it's too early for treats. Ezzy, come on, let me cook. Then I put the chicken wings on high for about 20 minutes and then take them out of the air fryer and mix them with some butter and garlic and Parmesan and just toss them till they're all coated. And they come out delicious every single time. Then I toss the veg in the air fryer. About 350, I think, for about 15 minutes. And there's the chicken wings when they got done. There's the veg when they got done. You know, the veg had this nice crispiness to it that I feel like is really hard to get in a regular oven. Like, it takes a lot longer than when you do it on the air fryer. The roasted broccoli and sweet potatoes and garlic Parmesan chicken wings.
It's really good. It's like, I love the seasoning that you put on it. I don't know what you put on it, but it tastes like garlicky. Is there garlic on it?
Yeah.
Really good. And the air fryer really made it like crunchy in a good way. Like super like roasted and crunchy.
Nice.
That's the broccoli. Then sweet potato. Now, how much sweet potato can we have a day?
Well, it depends, right? On what we're going to eat the rest of the day. But I gave us 52 grams each of sweet potatoes, which comes to about 9 net carbs.
Nice.
So
those are really good too. Like the sweetness against the salt and the peppery. Did you do olive oil or which kind of oil did you? Olive oil, yeah.
Olive oil.
Super yum.
Yeah.
And chicken wings. Look at that.
Mmm.
Can my baby cook or can she cook? Mmm. The skin came out so crunchy. Again, thanks to the air fryer, I think. Super yum. Parmesan-y. Perfectly spiced. Tastes great, baby.
Thanks. Between meals, we both had a couple of Baby Bells. And then for our evening meal, I started prepping some Brussels sprouts. I chopped them in half and then tossed them with some olive oil and spices and put them in the air fryer on high. About 15 minutes, I think. Then I tossed them with some Parmesan and truffle marcona almonds from Trader Joe's, my favorite store. And I think I threw in a little allulose too for sweetness. It was delicious. Really delicious. It's nothing like crispy Brussels sprouts to go with chicken wings, and especially those garlic Parmesan chicken wings. Wow. For dinner, we're having the garlic Parmesan chicken wings with some crispy Brussels sprouts with truffle marcona almonds, Parmesan, and what was the other thing? Oh, I put a little allulose in there too.
Oh, wow.
Mm-hmm.
They're really good.
Yeah?
Yep.
Cool.
I love the crispiness of the roasted Brussels sprouts.
Hmm.
The almonds. They're nice. It adds like another textural element. This is going to be a really hearty dinner too. It's the chicken from this morning, the rest of the chicken from this morning. But since we have the Brussels sprouts, Brussels sprouts are usually really filling, right? It's really hearty. Yummy, babe.
Yay.
Really good.